Hey, you guys, it's Christmas. I actually went to the Dollar Tree to look for some stuff and I found all of this Christmas items. I can't believe it, you guys. They have all the items for the mini trees. They have the mini ornaments. They have the toppers. They have the skirts. They have the garland. And of course, the mini tree and the light for it. So if you need a mini tree for your office or your work desk, go for it. Right now is the time to get it. I know it's super fast, but just buy it and put it away. And they come in silver, in gold, and in red this year. They have the little star ornaments, the little snowflakes, and of course the tree skirt. So adorable. So if I was you, I would go for it and just buy it and put it away. Because last year, let me tell you, I wanted a mini tree and they were all sold out. So right now is the time to grab the stuff before it sells out, of course. And you know, at DT, everything goes super fast. It just like flies off the shelf like it was free. But this is adorable. You could put it in your kids' room. You could put one in your room. You could give one to somebody as a Christmas gift and they could set it up in their room. Then they have the mesh, the tulle, of course, the ribbon, which I love. They have the burlap ribbon right now, which is good for the wreaths because you know I'll be making. And then they have the regular Christmas ribbon, good for the gifts, of course. I can't wait to show you Christmas gifts and DIY baskets and wreaths, and I'm so excited. And they also have the garland, and I believe it's 9 feet long. And they also have the candy cane wreath, which I'll be making one this year because the one I have from last year was silver and white, and I'm gonna go ahead and add some red this year to my Christmas decoration. So it'll be silver, white, and red this year. So everything has to be redone, and of course I'm gonna bring you guys along with me for shopping and everything. They have the hooks, but they don't work. Let me tell you, I tried them. Go ahead and pick one up at Walmart. You'll be better off doing that. They have the Chanel stems in different colors. You might want to pick those up as well. They have the mesh ribbon, which this is the first time I see this item. They have it in the green, the red, and the gold. And it comes actually really long. It's 9 feet long. So they have a ton of it. This is great for your trees. It's for just to decorate around the house. You could even hang it up. They have the glitter ribbon. It comes in gold and red and in silver. I guess those are the top 3 colors right now that they have. So that's perfect. And then they also have these cute little, oh, and let me show you the tree really quick, just in case you didn't see it last year. This is the tree. And it comes with a little stand. And the tree is actually 18 inches long, high. And it comes with a little stand. And then they have more tulle. They have it in the silver and the red. So go ahead and pick that up if you're going to make some DIY projects. It is very great for that. And of course, I found these little cute clips. Decorative clips. And they had them in silver with a little silver apple, the little gift, and the ornament as well. They had them in silver, in gold, and in red. And I thought this was so adorable because you could just put it as a filler. Just stick it as a filler anywhere and then just clip it off when you're done and put it away. They're great for trees and even wreaths. Like you don't have to bundle it up. It's already bundled and you just clip it into your wreath. And this is the red one with the red apple, which I thought was adorable. And they also had the poinsettia, which I love poinsettias. I love to keep them around my house in Christmas. If I could get my hands on them, even better. I love the real ones, even though they always die on me. I don't know why. I don't know. I don't have a green thumb. But I do love them. I'll probably buy some fake ones to put underneath the tree. A ton of fake poinsettias. I think that would look so beautiful. Because I have a red skirt as well. So we'll see. I'll be showing you everything. And then this one has the pine cone and the little bird. And look at the back is the clip, and then they're pretty big, the clips, so you could just hide the clip really easily. You could even put that when you wrap somebody's gift and clip that on the top of the bow. That would be a cute giveaway. They have the pom-poms, they have the snowflake stickers, which last year I could not get my hands on, so I was mad. They have the bows and the tree stickers. Those are so cute for DIY jars, for gifts for like the teachers, just to decorate them. They have the red gems. They have the glitter. They have everything you want right now. They have a million of the red little bows with the bells as well. And then they have the thin ribbon, which you know I love. I love to use this ribbon on the jars, on gift bags that I give out to the teachers and my co-workers. I just love ribbon. So go ahead and buy a couple of things for Christmas. Don't be scared. I know that it seems far away, but really it's around the corner. So go ahead and grab some stuff and just put it away and bring it out when you're ready. You know, that's what I did, what I'm doing. And then you guys, these are new. These are snow globes. Aren't they so fun? I can't wait to make some with my kids, which you know I'll be doing a video. I'm going to go ahead and buy them something to put inside, and I'm going to go ahead and make them some snow globes so I could put around the tree. I think this is a fun idea for the children, which I will be making. I can't believe that they have these. They're adorable. And then, of course, more ribbons. And these are cute because they actually come with a bow with a little bell in the middle. And then they have the bells right here. They have it in the green, in the silver, and the red. And these are cute too, to tie around your gifts. You could add 2 or 3 little bells, and it's a beautiful decoration. They have the fake snow. These are adorable. So they have the little fake snow, which I bought last year, which are so cute. I'll be making some DIY ornaments, so don't worry, you guys. You know I got you. Here are the ornaments I will be making, and I will be transforming into something beautiful. And then you guys, I never saw these. These are so cute. It's like a little clear ornament that you hang on your tree. But of course, I'm going to make it into a snow globe for my kids as well. I can't wait for that DIY to see what I even put in there or what I come up with. I'm so excited for all the new stuff they have. I love this idea. It is awesome. I just wanted to show you a couple things they have right now. Don't be scared, you guys. Go ahead and shop. You earned it. And of course, I'll be making some DIY ornaments. I can't wait. They have the small ones, and then they have the large ones as well. So I picked up a cup. This one has the little apple, the gift, and the ornament. So this is adorable. I don't know what I'm going to use this for, either for my tree or to give away on the presents for Christmas. I'll just attach it to the ribbon as a little giveaway for their tree. I thought that would be a really nice gift as well, even for the teachers, for my kids' teachers and the daycare teachers. And then this one has the little drum, the gift, and the pineapple, which I thought was so adorable. So I can't wait to see those as well. And I picked them up in the red as well. I picked up a couple of the silver. I don't know why I went crazy trying to take the whole box. But, of course, I picked up the poinsettia. I don't like the gold in it, so I'm going to clip out the gold. But I will keep the poinsettia, which is so beautiful. And I'm going to put that one on my tree. I wanted more, but there was no more. There was only one of them. And then I picked up the one with the red apple, since that's going to be my new theme, the red. I'm going to add it to my silver theme just to see how it looks. Of course, you guys, I'm going to give you a sneak peek of my house and my Christmas decor. So wait on that. You're going to love it because I am Christmas crazy. So wait till you see that. And then I picked up some of these mini ornaments for my little mini tree that I'm going to be putting in my workplace. And I'll give you a sneak peek of that as well if you want to go to work with me. I thought that would be fun. Just wanted to show you what's out there. Go ahead and buy a little bit of goodies and put them away. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye, you guys.